230 Albart, Hart. Not only is this home about the location, this home is about the setting. Off Highland Road, near Mount Hope Plantation, sits this 3-bedroom, 2-bath traditional home on 0.77 acres that will make you think you're living in a park with mature oaks, shrubbery, and the gorgeous magnolias. There's great bones about this 2,800 square footer, with original details including the formal living spaces and parquet floors in the bedrooms. Let your imagination run wild with what to do with an 875 square foot great room with cathedral ceiling, massive fireplace and hearth that will certainly be the centerpiece for gatherings and entertaining. Not only that, but it affords tremendous views of the backyard, courtyard, and open patio. Partially fenced, this property has a double drive, a 12 by 24 storage building that also features an 8-foot loft at the back end. A quintessential Baton Rouge home. Come make it yours today. Call me, Shelley Simmons, at 225-953-3851.